have problem placing an ad.
Now, first campaign name. Okay. Then campaign budget optimization.
Okay.
We have to choose whether daily budget or lifetime budget. I am selecting daily budget. Okay. Yeah. Next. I'm clicking here. Now I'm going to set ad set name. Audience, Pan India, resellers India. This is for our own reference purpose. This name. Lead method, I'm going to get it, collect the lead through forms, instant form. Okay.
Okay.
Then I'm going to create a web page. Sorry, the Facebook page. Okay. Here I'm going to make Ramya text recollection. Ramya. Oops, let's disconnect it once again. Can you hear me?
Hello?
The power disconnected. Okay. Now I am back. So right now, can you able to see my screen?
No.
Yeah, one second. Okay, right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So the page, I'm going to create the only page for this particular thing, Ramya text. Sorry. The category I'm putting Sari women's clothing shop, textile company. The profile pic. So I'm taking a copy of this image already, the content. So I want the image, I want it. This is the image. So This is the image. Can you see that screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the image I designed for that. Silk sarees from manufacturer at Salem. We are looking for resellers, earn money without investment in textiles. That's it. Very simple. Okay. So I designed this particular image 1200 into 628. That is standard Facebook, right? So the standard size, it becomes like a rectangle. Now I'm going to do this 1 second. Yeah, text, where is it? No, this is for the profile picture, like so this image maybe takes a little long time. The profile picture, like so again, I'm first time we need to do the agree terms and condition. I clicked it. So the Ramya Tech Saree collection. Now we are going to create a audience to whom we are going to select it. I'm going to copy the same thing because the advertisement was working well for me. So I'm going to do the same 24-50, the age group where I need a people 24 age and 50 here. Genders, I'm making the woman category. The interest I'm saying wholesale, draft shipping, reseller. Only 3 I'm going to target.
Okay.
Wholesale.
Dress. Sorry.
Reseller, interest. That's it. Only 3 people I wanted. Okay. So now I got 64 lakhs people in the pan India available. If you want, you can make it language by I am leaving it like that, putting automatic placements, and coming in the box the next here. Kamya Tech Sari. If you have Instagram account, you can select it here.
Okay.
Single image, already have a image ready. I'm using my mobile data, so the net little bit slow. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So power actually it won't go, but suddenly today it went off.
So you are working from home?
Yeah, I'm working from home only, brother. So the image uploaded I'm putting here, and I'm making out into this, clicking done. Okay, so I'm going to do the same as it is, the copy paste what I done for the other page, the description and all. Okay. So this is a copy, and primary text I'm putting here. Okay.
Phone number change.
And I need to change the group name and all. That's it. One second. Okay, so I'm putting the headline over here like that. Headline, nothing like that. Click here to get more details. Okay. Now the next is create a form. As I told you, the settings, new form, you keep it open, because if our post anybody shared, so those people also can be submit their name as a lead. Okay, so that's the reason we have to keep it open.
Okay.
Content, form name, we can make it out. So the greeting, maybe it may not require that. Question, I put it here. How I made a copy the form. I'll show you. If you want, you can make it out. The intro, no. Uh, uh, Questions. Are you interested for reseller? Okay. That's it. Then description. Then I'm adding it the phone number. Okay. Yeah. I think the city also I already have. Ready. And this I told you the privacy policy we need to put it in our own website. What is the link? We need to place it here. The link text maybe I can give the from here. Text.
For any product, any page, privacy policy we can put, or is same for all?
Not like that, we can, but of course they are accepting for the time being, but to be honest, we have to put it our own website, what kind of product you are promoting. If you have our own website, that particular privacy policy, we need to put it. It is simply saying that I am not doing, I don't do any kind of scam kind of stuff. So those are very common format, but still people they are accepting any link if you give, even if you provide my link also will be acceptable. Okay, like that they are considering.
Okay.
So maybe let us copy paste the same format I am putting here and click the below button to join exclusive reseller WhatsApp group so that people will join down. Join call to action button I am putting here. Join WhatsApp group. That's it. I made it. In the bottom link, this is a group. This is the one which I take it from this one. Okay. Let me check it out before proceeding whether it is the right group or not. Yeah, my text too. That's great. Okay. So this is what done. Now I'm going to make it as publish. So this one I did not record it. And now, yeah. This page is not linked with the Instagram account. Okay, Instagram account. If you want, you can create an Instagram account. Let us see the lead, most of the lead where it comes from. Let me download and see once again. One leads are there.
Now, like for example, how much you charge for this?
This one I not charge much money because I just for the people per lead 20 rupees like that I charged it.
That is what? How much?
1,500 something I charged.
So for ad cost, how much you'll spend?
Nothing. I just I spent around 700 rupees something.
So 50% you spend on ad and 50% you keep it.
Yeah, we will have 50%. 50% will have.
So for every ad, it is better to work like that, or how it is?
Some ads will not work like that. Something which we need to, some very 10 to 20% also will be getting some advertisements. Okay. So we cannot assure, right? This algorithm we cannot assure that. So Instagram almost we got 22 leads, and I got Facebook. I got 39 leads. Okay. So the majority of people which they have come from city also they have done it. These are female candidates. For Instagram, there will be a lot of people they will be using that. Right now, what we need to do, Instagram account, I need to do connection.
Sukanya ಅಂತ ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Sorry?
No, nothing.
For timing, I create more placements. I put it for timing. I'll put it for the only Facebook account.
Okay.
Because I again need to do the all the Instagram page activity. Since it is not there, we need to so you know how to connect the Instagram account in Facebook page, right? So the Facebook, yeah. If you go to the these things, they're in the bottom, the connectivity of the. Maybe the guy will get the message once again. Ask him the code.
ஹலோ
Some code வந்திருக்க உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது கோடு வந்திருக்கா பாருங்க.
இது ஓடிபிங்களா?
ஓடிபி வந்திருக்கு பாருங்க உங்க நம்பருக்கு ஃபேஸ்புக் பேஜ்.
சார் எதுல வரும் வாட்ஸ்அப்லயா?
வாட்ஸ்அப்ல பாருங்க.
வேணா ஓடிபி வரும். சார் 53 756.
ஓகே சார். உங்க ஃபேஸ்புக் பேஜ்ல ரைட்டா கொடுக்க கேட்டேன். ஓகே ரைட் சார்.
So it is saying it is connected to already some other page.
Other page, yeah. So we cannot do this. Only one account, only one number only. You asked the same question, right? Last time? Huh?
Yeah.
So this guy. Okay, fine. For the timing, we will. Actually, you will get an Instagram lot of leads, such kind of textiles.
Too many ladies are in Instagram.
So now I'm connecting the account for my account, Instagram account, because we will get the Instagram lead a little bit more. Now I'm in Bangladesh.
अभी ना जाते औसत कर देखा वो चल रहा है ना
Yeah. So yeah, because the amount has not added, so later on we can do. So this one, Pratap, your account, shall we do that? Check it out.
Yeah.
1 second. How will you have to share your screen? Can you share your screen?
Yes. Disabled participant screen sharing.
Right now, check it out.
How to change this language?
Language, why it is not like this?
Urdu.
Okay, once again, let me check it out. Security, you can remote control accurate access I given. Can you accept it?
Yeah. Done. Here you have.
I thought you know Urdu.
Yeah, no.
Once again, settings. This is settings. You did not change it, is it? Automatically I changed, is it what?
No, there is one page came like it was already somehow selected Urdu, and I selected don't translate this page karke, so that only set as a default.
1 second. Let me check on my page one time. Wait, let me get the link from my page, then directly will place out.
At least you see in your page where you want to go and change. I think there is no paste option.
How to do this? The settings once again. I'll type that once again. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now go ahead.
This ad, can you just check what's wrong I have done in this?
Yeah. You know, our ad only, right?
Yeah. Not this. Richa Creations, the ad name.
One second. Which one? Richa Creation? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. You have to on that. You switch it on.
Yes, the same ad.
No, it was off. Putting right now the on.
Not that.
So maybe the computer, it seems that you have been selected for the time duration.
Sorry?
Time duration have you selected? Lowest cost, daily budget, you've done that. Okay. What about the language? Maybe you leave it. I think language is not required yet. Hindi or English you mentioned. Any you want particular Hindi customer?
Like North Indian customer.
Okay. So you have to select the page there is no image added, right?
No, it's there, right hand side.
You do not have necessary permission for the specified page.
No, he had given me the admin rights before, but now I think he has taken out the admin rights.
Yeah, that's what the admin
You
rights.
just give my page only, my inventory cafe or my own page.
Choose right now. You cannot change right now.
Okay.
You have to create a new campaign. Then you do one thing, Pratap. You create a new campaign. How we did it the same way. Okay, new campaign, fresh. Okay, do that. Maybe what you called. Then you will come to, because absolutely it has to work, because this kind of things very simple stuff. Apart from that, you have done everything perfectly done correctly.
Correct. No, only at the time when I post the order, like minimum budget should be 300 rupees. It will say I have checked.
No, this is a message template. You have done the message ad. Okay. So if you have selected the lead ad, that will come for lead ad. That's it. This will go for what will happen. The people will come and pick you. Will come and ping you.
Okay.
This will, you want message ad, you want lead ad.
Lead ad I wanted.
Okay, then you create lead ad. Type, you have to select lead ad. Okay.
Okay.
Then you can create the form. As I told you, the form, when you create the form, people, when they click the particular sign up button, automatically they could able to see name, email, phone number. If you want any further information, you can ask the people. Okay. That is the way you have to create the form.
Okay.
You do one thing the same way now what we have recorded right now, because my battery also laptop gone down almost by the time. What I do, I will upload the data into YouTube right now. Okay. So what we did so far, you copy paste, do that exactly. Okay. So then we will come to know that exactly what is the thing. Okay.
Okay.
Right now I'll upload that. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.